Our next speaker is another very talented young person, and he's a guy, a man from Korea. He is the president of Dona-Ah Institute of Media and the Arts. He is a very young president of the institute. This is an educational institution that educate and train young Koreans in the arts of making film and other forms of arts. But most importantly, many people say that he looks like me. Please welcome Mr. Yong Choi.
Your Excellency, Ambassador Hadi, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor and pleasure to have few words at the gala premiere of Bali Beats of Paradise, the documentary film that Ambassador Hadi has co-produced together with Ms. Julia Gao and the director Lee Di-jung last year. When I first watched the trailer of this film, I was simply stunned by the image and the beautiful music. It was a short trailer of 1.5 minutes, but it was so catchy and powerful that the sound still rings in my ears and the image still lingers in my head. I am well aware of the beautiful nature of Bali and the beauty of the traditional Indonesian music gamelan, but I'm sure that this film will give me another chance to fall in love with Bali and Indonesian culture once again. His Excellency Ambassador Hadi's great works in arts such as this film will certainly promote Indonesia, and by releasing it here in Korea, I believe the relationship between two countries will be enhanced further. And for that, Your Excellency Ambassador Hadi, as a diplomat, deserve praise and great respect from both countries. Currently, I'm running a college in Korea which is specialized in the field of media and arts. And we are in the middle of numerous dialogues with different colleges in Indonesia for international exchange programs. In the future, with our partner colleges in Indonesia, I'll try my best to promote cultural and artistic exchange between two countries for a bigger picture following Ambassador Hadi. Your Excellency, once again, I'd like to express my sincere gratitude for this wonderful occasion, and I hope that we get to experience your great artistic talents more often in the future. Thank you very much.